I have already laid out the fabric on the table because what I am making is a pillow. Just come along with me and see where we go. And as usual, I am using a piece of fabric sample. And then I am just using a coordinating piece of fabric for the back. Okay, so now that I have done this, what I'm going to do is remove my top fabric, and I'm going to go ahead and fold this, not halfway, just a little less than halfway. I'll get my iron. I like to iron as I go because that's the best way to ensure that you get a good finish on your project. So I'm going to open this, and I am going to go ahead and cut the fabric on the line I just pressed in. I think it's better for me to cut it this way. Now, okay, you know what? Let's put this on. It's better to press on top of this fabric. So yeah, I do that. Okay, so I am gonna go ahead and do a 1-inch double hem on this side here and also on this side. So what I'm gonna do is fold back the fabric 2 inches. Let me get my measuring tape. Okay, there we go. So I'm gonna fold this back 2 inches. I'm gonna press. Never, never, never leave your iron on your fabric like I just did. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna do the right thing, and I'm not gonna leave the iron hanging out on the fabric. Here we go. There we go. So I have folded back 2 inches. And now I am going to go ahead and I'm going to stitch the double hem. Because what I'm going to do next is just open this, fold it back to the crease or the seam in the fabric, fold it over like this, and just stitch. Get our fabric back. This is the front of the pillow, and I am watching how my floral print goes. So my flowers are going like this way, and so when my pillow sits, I want my pillow to sit on this side. Okay, so I am going to go ahead I'm going to put some pins in. So my next step is to stitch all the way around. So I'm doing a 3-inch flange, and when I am done with this pillow, what I'm going to do is give you a minor lesson how to measure for your flange pillow. I'm going to use my whiteboard and do that lesson. Okay, so what I'm using here is a tailor's chalk. So my tailor's chalk will come out of the fabric easily. There we go. Now I am absolutely putting in some pins because I don't want any shifting while I'm stitching. Now I'm doing a 3-inch flange. You don't have to do such a big flange. I'm just doing this because that's what my piece of fabric sample allows me to do. And I didn't want to cut any off. So, yeah. So, all I'm going to do right now is put my gimp trim right on top of the line that I have drawn, and then I'm gonna go ahead and stitch, right? So let's get started. Okay, so what I do when I get to the corner is basically turn the corner just like so, and then this gap that's here, I just put it down and then stitch on top. There we go, turn the corner and stitch. And then I'll just turn this end under, just like so, and just finish off. That's it. It's done. Thank you so much for being here, guys. Please drop it in the comments. Let me know what you think. Also, like and share. If you have not yet subscribed, please go ahead and hit that subscription button, and remember to turn on your bell notification icon so you can be notified of new videos. I will see you in the next one. Thank you so much again for being here.